Today we're making up an incredibly delicious and easy Lost Treasure Skillet. It's loaded with ground beef, hash browns, and diced tomatoes. Then it's seasoned up just right and finished with a nice layer of melted cheese. And the best part? It all comes together in one pan in about 30 minutes, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Then go in with 2 cups of frozen hash browns. And we'll just stir these around. Now, this isn't entirely necessary, guys, but I want to get a nice base cook on these, and I want them nice and brown and crunchy when I add them to the dish. Okay, I got a bit of a base cook on here, and they've browned up nicely, and it's going to be perfect. So what we're going to do now is just go ahead and set these aside in a bowl. Okie dokie, got the old cast iron pan heated up over medium-high heat, and in we go with a pound of ground beef, and I'm just going to break this up. Listen to that sizzle. And we're just going to stir and fry this until the beef is basically browned and cooked through. Now, in some ground beef, you might want to give this a drain, but I really lucked out. I found this on sale, and it's a grass-fed ground beef, and I get very little water or oil off this. But, if you get too much, go ahead and drain it. And see what I mean here, guys? I haven't drained anything off this, and just about the perfect amount of grease. So anyway, the beauty of the old cast iron that I love cooking with. We're just going to shove everything to one side here, the beef to one side, I should say, in with a little bit of oil. And I'm going to add a small chopped onion, and you know me, 3 cloves of the old garlic, and half a red bell pepper, just for a bit of sweetness and color. And we'll just stir and saute this until that incredible aroma of an onion and garlic fill the air, and this bell pepper begins to soften a little bit. Now we're sauteed up here and everything is smelling oh so good. Gonna mix everything together. Now we're gonna season things up with a bit of salt. I don't know, 3/4 teaspoon, something like that. Some ground black pepper. And I'm gonna go kind of heavy on this, maybe 1.5 teaspoons. About 1 teaspoon of the good old smoked paprika. And I just love the smoke. You know me, a good teaspoon of the Italian seasoning. And last but not least, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, just for that depth of flavor. Now we'll give everything a stir around. Oh, wow, this is smelling good. Next up, 14 ounces good old diced tomatoes. Follow that with 3/4 cup. Well, I'm going to start with half a cup beef broth. I don't want this too soupy. And a can of sweet corn. Once again, give everything a mixaroony. Wow, this is looking good. Okie dokie, now we've simmered up for a few minutes. I am going to go in with those hash browns we pre-fried before, and I am going to gently mix these in. I don't want them to get too mushy. Now what we're going to do, guys, is reduce the heat a little bit and let this simmer away, I'd say, for 4 or 5 minutes. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, why are you calling it Lost Treasure? Well, it is kind of a lost treasure, something my mom used to make up, and I've done 100 variations of it, but it always comes back to the same base. And, you can always add your own touch to it, but it is so easy and so delicious. Now we're simmered up here. I am going to go over the top with some old sharp cheddar cheese, just for that finishing touch. You can use any kind of cheese, but I like the old sharp cheddar. Now we'll kill the heat here, slip a lid on, and let that cheese melt down. All right, that cheese is melted down, and let's take a peek. Doesn't this look incredible, guys? Now, of course, I'm going to garnish this up with some chopped parsley, just for that perfection. And there you have it, my friends, our Lost Treasure ground beef skillet. So easy, so economical, and so delicious. All right, guys, let's grab some of this up. Make sure we got a little bit of everything. Just look at this. Wow. Okie dokie, time to go down the old hatch. Guys, just love it. For something you throw together in 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, actually. Few ingredients. The seasoning is spot on. I just love everything about it. You are going to love it. I encourage you to make it up. And if you do, leave us a comment. Love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. Helps the channel out. And of course, I'm going to have more of this, and we shall see you in the next video.